Pry and take out the air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Remove the fixing screws of the main engine panel, take out the connection plug on the back of the main engine panel, and then place the original main engine panel. Remove the two fixing screws of the original car monitor. Press the LVDS plug buckle on the back of the original car's monitor, and take out the LVDS cable. Remove the fixing screws of the original car host. Pull the host outwards, and take out the host, then pinch the buckle of the harness and pull it back, then take out the power harness. Use tweezers to press the small buckle on the original harness. Take out the 2-pin green optical fiber cable. Please note that 2P green fiber cable is connected here. Connect the Android harness to the male connector of the original harness, and press the buckle firmly. Connect the male connector of the Android harness to original host. Connect the LVDS cable according to the label or instructions. Pass the USB cable through the passenger seat storage box. Connect and fix the Wi-Fi antenna. Connect the microphone. Fix the box inside with double-sided tape. Connect the LVDS cable according to the label or instructions. Install the original host back to its position. Lock and fix the original host. Install the host panel back to its position, and press it harder to ensure that the buckle snaps into place. Connect the LVDS cable to the original car monitor. Install the original car monitor to the original car, and fix it. Restore the connection plugs on the back of the air conditioner panel, and put the air conditioner panel back in place.